In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you about pointers to pointers in C programming language. Alright, so you may ask, what is a pointer to pointer? Is a type of multiple form of pointer, so you have more than one pointer in your program. So how can you be able to work with that? So let's go ahead and look at a simple program that we have us to print out the values of a pointer or the value of a variable with different pointers. So let's go ahead and create a variable of x, y, and z, and let's x, y, and z, and put a comma, and create a pointer pt1, and another pointer pt2, and put a semicolon at the end. So if you have pt1, for you to create another one, you go ahead and put double pointer, and so this is going to take double of the x series and not just single one or single x series. It's going to be double. Now we go ahead and let's say that x, y, and z is equal to 10 and put a semicolon. So we assign the value of 10 to x, y, and z, and we have to take the address of x, y, and z and put that into pt1, and that is pt1 is equal to x, y, and z, and put a semicolon at the end. So let's take the address of pty using the address of the operator and operator. So let's go ahead and say pt2 is equal to and pt1. So and pt1. So now we're sending the address of xyz into pt1, and we also take the address of pt1 and assign that into pt2. So now let's take the value using pt1, or using pt2, let's go ahead and say printf, and I say the value. So the value of x, y, and z is equal to percentage %d, and let us move to the next line, and go ahead and put a semicolon and then include x, y, and z, and if you run this code, it's going to give you 10, and let's go ahead and print out the value of pt and the value of pt1 and pt2. So printf, and I'm going to say the value of pt1, the value of pointer pt1 is equal to %t, and let us move to the next line, and you put in x series pt1 and for a semicolon at the end, and that goes to pt2 as well. So let's go ahead and say the value of x series pt2 equal to %d, and let us move to the next line, and introduce PT2 right there. I'll put a semicolon at the end. And this, we go ahead and give us the value as to be the same. I didn't introduce the AND operator right inside the XYZ when I was passing the address of XYZ into PT1. So remember to put the AND operator in here so that you don't run into a problem, okay? So while passing the value of the address of XYZ into PT, so ensure that you input the AND operator, and let's run the score and check that out. And you can see that the value of XYZ is equal to 10, and the value of pointer PT1 is equal to 10, and the value of pointer P2 has sent 10 because I pass in the address of variable XYZ into PT1 and also pass in the address of PT1 into PT2, and at this point all of them have this value of 10. So go ahead and put this down on your own system, and this is how you work with pointer to pointer in C programming language. And just know that the very first pointer has 1 series and the second one has double X series, and so on. So this is all about pointer to pointer in C programming language. And in case if you have any question under this video lecture, please try to use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.